Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks again for viewing my channel. Now, this is a review about successful solution method. Now, we're going to talk about the updates and the success where people are making with this program. So we have Trina Wallace. She made $150 yesterday. That's just, keep in mind, that's per day. 24 hours, $150. Now, some people don't make that in the first 6 months of joining a program, but with this program, like I said, people are having success within the first 2 weeks to a month. Now, let's go down further. Let's see. So Linda Bauman, she recently joined the program. She made $150. As you can see, the Facebook group is fairly active. Let's see. Another member, Mary Beth, she made $250. You have Cassandra Good, and she made $250. All right, so as you can see, people are having success with this company, and so am I. I made my first $100 within the first 2 weeks. I've never done that before with any other company I've been in. I've been in a few other companies, but this company is definitely the right fit for newbies and beginners. All right, so what we're gonna do is head to the members area. All right, so we're in the members area right now. Now we're gonna start here. We go to start here when you first sign up. So you're gonna join our active Facebook group. Step 2, you're gonna register as an affiliate. Step 3, you're gonna start increasing your commissions and start earning. Step 4, you're gonna claim a package. Now what the package is, these are very targeted leads and very warm traffic. Some people, when they start out with solo ads. I don't recommend that at all, because that's very cold traffic and it's been used time and time again. Rinse, wash, and repeat. That's the problem with solo ads. So I don't recommend that. Step 5, you're gonna go ahead and meet with your success coach, and then you're gonna join our Telegram group. All right, and then you're gonna have to download the app. Okay, so let's take a look here at my back office. So we got over 64 people that are interested in joining my business. 64 leads already. Okay, that's also unheard of within the first couple of weeks. All right, and as you can see, let me just refresh the page. Let me log back in, so you know it's real. So $100 and 64 visitors. Go to my traffic log, and this has been visiting my website. As you can see, it's been over 474 people so far. All right, now let me go back. Now, if you're interested in joining, just go ahead and click on the link below. All right, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.